back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe, you get all the videos. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. What we're gonna be doing, this is the question I get from a lot of people, especially from the beginners. They're starting to get into sparring and drilling. They're like, man, my legs I can't take these leg kicks. What we're gonna do is just work. It's a really simple thing to do. We're just gonna kick each other's legs. The goal with conditioning your body, whether it's your body, you're doing kicks to the body, punches to the body, your legs, is to start low and slow. Go easy. If your comfort level is right about here and injury level is right about here, you want to be just like that. You don't want to get to the point where you can't walk the next day, you got bruises all over your legs and you can't do much, you can't train, or you get a real injury, something breaks, and you got to take 6 weeks off or 2 months off because obviously you're not going to get any better if you're not in the gym. So we're going to start off nice and light. We're going to go outside low kick, and then right away I'm going to go inside. And in case you're going to do the same thing to me. We both finish that technique, and now we're going to switch to a southpaw stance. So I want to make sure I condition everything. A lot of people do just the lead leg. They don't get their rear leg, especially the inside. They don't condition it all, and you need to condition everything. So again, low kick, inside kick. Here, then we switch. Oh, sorry, man. Okay. Now, if you want to do it the other way too, you want to go in and then out, that's fine. Just try and keep the amount of power and the intensity about the same. When you're doing this with your partners too, keep communication with your partner and let them know if they can go harder. So right now, Casey and I have done this a bunch of times, this is fine. I can ask them to go a little bit harder now. Good. That feels pretty good. Like I can feel it, but I know I'm not going to be fine tomorrow. I'm not going to be injured. I'll still be able to train tomorrow. If he's going too hard, I was asking to take it down a notch. It's not about being, how tough you are, it's about getting how tough you can become. That's what our goal is. It's not to try and show off, it's to actually get tougher. When we're doing this too, it's a good drill to build our conditioning, but we should always be doing it with good technique too. So I'm not just walking up to Casey like, just kicking like that, right? I want to throw a good kick as if I'm like being graded on. I'm going to keep my hands up, my chin down, I'm going to land it and come right back to my stance. And in case you do the same thing. And when we switch, the same thing, I give him the time to get his balance. So it's not a time to be lazy. Just because we're conditioning our legs doesn't mean we can't work our technique as well. It's actually one of the best times to work your technique because you only have to focus on one thing. Okay? That's one of the simplest ways to condition your legs. You could do this every day, but if you're a beginner, I'd suggest doing it maybe twice a week. As you get better with it, as you get more comfortable with it, you can start doing more frequently. But twice a week for 2 to 3 minutes to start off, that's probably good for most people. And that's how you condition your legs.